It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another market update. It's Thirsty Thursday. It's only right that we get a little bit of thirst and a little bit of red today. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. This is healthy. This is healthy. This is healthy. Don't look at this. Now, I'm going to show you a few things on the chart, right? That's giving us a few issues, right? But outside of this, guys, I want to make it clear. There's a lot of adoption happening from an institution. Remember, back in the day, we used to say, follow the smart money. This is an example of what I'm talking about. So Brazil advances strategic Bitcoin reserve. We talked about this months ago, how countries will be lining up for these Bitcoin strategic reserves. Bitcoin look like it's primed to just continue to go higher, right? And I can only assume that it's going to take the altcoin market with it, right? Ethereum, Solana, and eventually our altcoin bags will pump. But it's going to require some patience. BlackRock's crypto ambition. BlackRock aims to manage over, and I think this number is light, but I think they're already managing trillions in crypto. They're at 2000. They're already managing trillions in crypto, allegedly, right? Positioning itself to become the world's largest crypto asset manager. This reflects growing institutional interest in cryptocurrency. PayPal expands stablecoins to Stellar, USDC on Ripple's XRP ledger, Chainlink and JP Morgan's cross-chain settlement. And of course, we've seen ETF inflows with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So don't get distracted. We already seen that every time we do have these corrections, the strength returns in the next 24 to 48 hours. Because technically, when you look at Bitcoin above that bull market band, it's in a bull market. Now, White Rock always pumps when the market is like super correct. It's very, very odd. But hey, good project there. And also on XRP. Now, let's go into what's actually kind of messing us up, right? Millie, why is things going down if you're so bullish? Fundamentals, guys, from a TA perspective, you just go here to Bitcoin. I don't believe that the cycle is over. I do believe we got time left. If you're basing on the historical data of the Pi cycle indicator, then the top could fall somewhere around June to September, right? If you're basing it on Bitcoin's peak after post-halving, first week of October, sometime in Q4, that's where the model historically says, hey, 4-year cycle over with. It is what it is. This is the peak. Now, I've talked about how there is a possibility that this could be a super cycle because we're getting pro-crypto government, pro-crypto president, a lot of pro-crypto countries. So you got to just be prepared, right? Say, okay, this shit is a little extended from here to here. It is a little bit extended. But I truly believe we'll have a next leg up, right? I'm looking for it to be sort of like what we've seen in 2021, where we kind of topped out here after having this huge run up, and then we had like the last leg, right? I'm hoping something like that happens. I'm hoping something like that happens. And you can see Bitcoin here. Every time we have had these inverted head and shoulders patterns, we broke to the outside. We broke to the upside. So I'm banking, right? I'm banking, and I'm feeling good about crypto. Just the age of digital assets, where we're going, how everything is being implemented. Whether you're talking about AI, whether you're talking about the blockchain, literally everything is being integrated right now, and there's going to be a lot of people that miss the boat. We ain't gonna miss the boat. That's why we're here, right? So, not concerned at all about this. Now, the concern is the fact when I look across the charting, right, and I just look at the stock RSI. I'll pull up the stock RSI here for you guys. You kind of like see what I'm saying, right? Again, weekly charts play 4 to 8 weeks 2 to 4 weeks to play out. 48 weeks, weekly charts. You get what I'm saying? It takes time to play out. Now, what I'm seeing from the stock RSI, not the ultimate RSI, two different things. Stock RSI, right? Outside of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is also overbought, is the stock RSI crosses and the looking to confirm bearish momentum right here below 80, right? Which this is the total three. This is Jasmy. You can see Jasmy has that like overbought confirmed bearish momentum. So I'm not going to rule out that within the next 2 to 4 weeks we could just go sideways and altcoins could bleed a little bit. I'm not going to rule that out, but that's not going to deter my thesis of next leg happening sometime in 2025 because we got to price in 3 Fed cuts. We got to price that in, right? ZBCN, you can see overbought here on the weekly. And of course, my favorite AI project and ecosystem, Tau, also a little bit overbought on the weekly. So yes, things are a little bit hot on the weekly. We had some good recoveries and run-ups here. Let these bull flags play out. Let the little small correction happen. It's okay. We've seen Ethereum show a little bit of life. We've seen the BTC show a little bit of life. I don't think that's it. If it's it, hey, okay, whatever. But I don't truly believe that's it. So my resolve is strong here. And I truly believe that this next leg up, even if it may be the last, it'll probably be very, very explosive. Bitcoin, if it can break 120, is probably going to like 150, 160. And altcoins are going to be massive, right? Massive. So we just got to make it, right? There's crypto projects that are just popping up out of nowhere. And people who have been holding these for 2 years are starting to be rewarded. So patience will be rewarded. We're seeing that across the crypto space. I know it can get frustrating. I know you want your bags to pump. I want my bags to pump right with you. But we got to stay focused and we got to lock in. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Adoption is happening. Retail isn't here. Who cares? We don't need them here right now because we need to load our bags, right? And then they gonna pump our bags. That's what retail comes into. All right, they'll be here. Let me know what you think about the market. Thirsty Thursday sets the tone for the rest of the week, guys. Enjoy your Thursday going into Friday. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you the next one.